Hey guys, welcome to KG Live. I wanted to share with you how much I made this financial year as a chef. You probably know financial year in the UK is from beginning of April 2025 to the end of March in 2026. First, I want to say why I did it. I was in the capital of England. I would say this city is almost only for work and career. In that sense, I thought for a little while it makes sense to push myself and get some extra bucks. That was bloody difficult. My calculation, I did average of 53 hours a week during this year, and I suffer hugely twice. First time was around July, August. I was in a bad place, did not know why I'm doing this to myself, so I was working only 40 hours in that period as I was struggling without agency work, and even some of the weeks I did 32 to 35 hours or so. A second breakdown was January, February, and thanks God I got a holiday on March, beginning of March. It was really devastating. I was at the end of my challenge, and I was pushing myself every single day. I did some shifts like 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. next day, repeat, or most common was 8 days a week, 7 days a week. I did 2 times with 35 days without day off. Like December, I did around 5,200, 5,500 British pounds that month. Anyway, that was that. January and February was painful. I was drinking a lot, talking a lot to my friends and trying to stay positive, but my body was crying from inside. Let me know what you think, and have you experienced anything like that? Back to the topic. My full-time job paid me 33,286.77 British pounds. I never got sick, and I was always on duty, working hard. Maybe I should not have worked so hard, I would admit. Second income was agencies, and I have made £9,874 and 42 pence plus £459 and 86 pence from different agency. That is £10,334 and 28 pence, which is almost 1/3 extra on what I have made from my full-time job. It is hard to say hours as agencies operate in different ways. Some of them give you paid holiday, some of them they don't. I know it is confusing. It is confusing for me too. For example, if you work 40 hours a week, you are entitled of 28 days paid holiday in most of the companies in the UK. Therefore, for every 11.8 hours, I think, of work, you get 1 hour holiday, if my math is correct. Some agency just give you the full amount per hour, including holidays. Hope that is not too confusing. Anyways, I was sent to different locations, and I did enjoy most of the places I went. Grand total what I have made in 2025-2026 is £43,621 and 5p. I did like 65 hours right after my holiday, 24th of March until 30th of March 2026. I did like 29.85 hours with the agency, and they calculated for the following financial year, which was first week of 2026-2027 year, and I did earn £522. So I could have made more than 44k if it was correctly accounted. Anyway, that was that. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about my experience. Have you ever experienced anything like it? Did you work so hard? Did you have any financial goals? And yeah, please write in the comment section. See you on the next one. Cheers.